So since to combine all the students, we are conducting these classes in English. So if you have any language difficulties, or if you have any program, the language difficulties, like after the class, we will be giving you sometimes. You can ask in Tamil and Sinhala. So if you have any doubt in the program, right? So today, so in our total class, we are having 650 students, 650 students who have registered this particular free program. So we are converting into different batches and doing. So one batch will be contain 100 students. Like today we have 98 students, 90 odd students are there. 93 students are now connected. 93 students from different place of the world, and even some people are connected from out of Sri Lanka as well. So what is actually the main goal of this particular program is three. One is about the current situation. So we have to give some knowledge to our students, right? So based on that idea only, we have actually initiated this free course. So this is not a long time program, very short time, 15 hours will be taken for one program. So within 15 hours, we are going to complete the course. So fully, you can learn the programming online. As we discussed earlier, there are different courses available, right? So before talking further, first I will give you a clear idea about this particular course, right? What is this course, and what is the use of this particular program, right? So this course, we call it as, you can follow my screen, right? So this course, we call it as E+ examinations, right? So this is our program. So the program name is the E+ examination, E+ examination. So this E+ will be, we are working with the government VTA. So end of the course, you will be receiving a government certificate for this program, that is Vocational Training Authority certificate. So it's a certificate will be providing by the Vocational Authority. So to get the certificate, you have to have an examination. So once you participate in the examination, if you pass the exam, you will be able to receive this particular certificate. So our program name is called E+ examination, E+, remember the word. So this will be awarded by Vocational Training Authority of Sri Lanka, and also IDM will be working as a professional education partners. So we are the people who do the classes. So IDM will be doing the classes for this particular E+ examination. And also there is a foreign body which is involving, we call that as a EDAD International. So EDAD International is the foreign body who will be incorporated with this particular E+ examination. So next, I will introduce about myself. So my name is Mayuran. So I'm the manager for E+ examination. So this particular program, which will be running under me. And these are my qualifications. I have finished my master's, bachelor's degree, and these are some other professional qualifications. So this is about me. So I will be taking some classes. And apart from me, there are a lot of other lecturers who are involving in the classes to do your different area. So different lectures, all are industry experts. They are only going to do the classes for you, right? So this is about me. And as I told you, the E+ examination. So E+ is an online examination which offer like certificate through the Vocational Training Authority, so VTA in Sri Lanka. And also E+ have the international affiliations who have, so can you hear me, or the voice is not clear? Because some students are saying the voice is not clear. So if your voice is not coming, you have to click on a display and you have to connect the audio. Just connect the audio, then you can get the audio clear, right? So audio will be depending on the internet connection. Sometimes if your internet connection is low, then you can't hear. I think some students are chatting, they said they can clearly hear it. So if you can't hear, only my visual is coming, only my video is coming. If you can't hear my sound, just press in the screen. Then you can a button called connect audio. Just press the button connect audio. Then you can hear my voice. Okay, student. So whoever chatting, I can't hear you. Please do that. Okay, right. So we go to the program. So this E+ examination, it's basically done by Vocational Training Authority. VTA, as I told you, Vocational Training Authority of Sri Lanka, right? And also IDM will be the educational providers, and we have the EdHead International also into that, right? Then next one. So as you all know about VTA, just for idea, so Vocational Training Authority, what is VTA? Because some students don't know what is VTA. So Vocational Training Authority is a government body. Sri Lankan government, under Sri Lankan government, they have created an authority called Vocational Training Authority. It was established in 16th August in 1995 under the Act of 12 of 1995 Act. So under this act only, under the government, they have created this vocational training authority. Maybe if you have did A-level examination, after that you can apply to this VTA, and there are a lot of courses there. Maybe free of charge, you can learn the courses. So there are courses available. It's in a different area courses. So you can learn by free of charge using your A-level results, right? So that is about VTA. Maybe you would have seen this logo in many places. There are a lot of branches available for VTA out of full Sri Lanka. There are so many branches available. So we are actually working this particular project with the VTA only, Vocational Training Authority. So it's come with a government emblem. So the government emblem will be there in your certificate. So if you want to apply for foreign countries, if you want to go abroad for study, you can use these certificates. There is no issues, right? Next is about the EdHead International. So EdHead International, it's a body where you can learn. It is a UK-based company. So because when the students go to foreign country, so they want to learn about, they want to go to the British Council and FRANC, then only the certificate will be valid. So for that only we have put this EdHead International affiliation. So when you want to apply for foreign countries, again you can use this certificate to get a FRANC. So you can go to the website and check about the EdHead and offering what are the programs they have. So likewise, you can check this EdHead International as well, right? Next one, IDM, right? So IDM, that is the official educational service provider. So through the IDM only the classes will be conducted. So IDM is the official partner for this particular E+ examination. Through through IDM only you will be getting the classes, right? So our lecturers are all from IDM. Even myself also, I'm partly working in IDM. So IDM, you know about IDM. So they have 54 branches all over the country. A lot of places they do have the branches. So they are the main partners of this particular program. Right. Now we come to the course. What are the courses we have on the E+ examination is, now under the information and communication technology, they have E+ certified office application expert. This is the one of the course. So we have actually whatever the marked in red color. So red color marked courses only we are going to do it on online. Other courses also available, but it's very difficult to teach. Even hardware, it's very difficult to teach in online. Multimedia, a lot of computers need. So those are very difficult. So some area we skipped it. Only the courses which is marked in red color, we are going to teach it in online. So first is certificate is office application expert. That is, we are teaching about the basic office application, which is Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Access, Internet email. Likewise, basic. When you want to go and work in a company, you should have a very basic idea. So for that, you need this office application expert. So that is the first course or first program we are going to do it. Then the second one is computer network specialist. So that is about the networking. So you have to have an idea about how this internet is working, how the network is working. So those ideas also, it's important. So the second we are teaching, or second course we are conducting through the online is computer network specialist. There are more, we are teaching about computer network, how the Facebook is working, how the Google is working, how the networks are there, right? Likewise, we are teaching lots of things about networks. So that is the second program. So next one, E+ certified graphic designing expert. So this is about the graphic designing. So we are learning about graphics, right? How to do in a graphic area. For example, Photoshop, Illustrator, CorelDRAW. So those are the graphics area. So once you have that knowledge, you can able to work as a graphic designer. You can colorfully, you can design stuff. So just like that. Then the last one, it's for the accounting people. So whoever interested in or working in accountant, so there is a course called Certified Computer Account Specialist. You know, nowadays everything is in computer. So if you join in a company as an accountant, you need a accounting package knowledge. Without the accounting package knowledge, you can't even do a small thing. So accounting package is very important. So this is a course which is give you an idea about how to do the accounts in online. Example, what? Tally is there. Then you have QuickBook is there, Myobi is there. So likewise, there are softwares we will be teaching you in online about certificate in accounting packages, right? Then the next one, okay, the last course is certificate in AutoCAD expert. So this course also there we are doing in online, that is called AutoCAD expert, where we are teaching about AutoCADs. AutoCAD, you know, that is the mostly now AutoCAD will be used in a lot of constructions area. So all the building construction, whoever A-level math students, they go to Moratuwa University and working in industry, construction industry, they should know about this AutoCAD software. So we are teaching. So in this online class, actually we are going to teach you about 4 different courses: office application, computer network specialist, graphic designing, and accounting specialist, and the AutoCAD, right? So if you want, if you're okay, you can attend to all the 4 programs because it's free. We're not going to charge anything for the learning. So if you like, you can attend all the program or whichever the interesting area for you. So whichever it's necessary for you, you can attend only that program. Or if you want to attend to all the 5 programs, no problem. You can just connect to the, according to the timetable, you can connect to the system and you can work, right? So that is about the course, right? Apart from that, the highlighted courses also there: hotel management, housekeeping, hotel receptionist, like courses available. But we are not doing on online, so it's there in offline. So after this situation is finished, you can come to one of the center and you can learn this program, right? Okay, next, how you are going to learn this particular program. You know, so the main important thing is you should have the Zoom online application, which you are working with you now. Now I think most of the people, you have installed the Zoom application, so that is fine. Second, you need a data package per class. It will be taken somewhere around 400 MB of data, right? So you should need 400 MB of data, since we are giving the screen also, so it will be taking bit cost. So 400 MB of data you should have minimum to attend the one class fully. 1.5 hours to 2 hours class is fully is important, right? So you should have the internet package with the Zoom application. So weekly we will have 2 classes actually, right? One program, for example, MS Office application. If you want to do that course, so every week you will have 2 classes, 1.5 hours to 2 hours classes. I will show you the timetable once this presentation is finished. So you can able to do that. So that is the second point. Third one, so very important, you should attend for the class, because normally our mindset is, if you give anything free, a lot of people will say, okay, we will do, right? They will come. If it is free, they will come and at least see. But when it's continue, like 2, 3 class, 4 class, or when you go to the 10th class, 5 class, then slowly people will be dropping the program, right? They will just, they won't connect, they won't regularly attend to the class. But why? This is actually a cost, right? When you do this program in a normal way, 25,000 to 30,000 you had spent from your pocket to learn the same course in IDA, right? But we are giving the free of charge because of the social awareness, or because of social service only. We are doing, our lecturers and managements are get together. So we have decided to provide this particular program to our students, our people in Sri Lanka. It's free of charge. We are spending, or we are losing our 30,000 rupees, and we are giving free of charge to you. So you have to make 100% benefit from this program. So don't just connect for 1 or 2 classes and drop. Please continue until your hours finish. Then after this, there is examination. So trying to participate in the examination and get the certificate, because there are 2 process, as I told you. First one is a class. So class. Then the second one is you have to have the free, right? That means you have to go to the, right, examination. So the exams also important. So you go to the exam. So I'll show you the exam slide. Now see. Okay, before going to that, I will just read out some students' comment. Talking, right? 1 minute. Just I read the. Okay, so here, okay, so I think some students are just saying they have a problem of learning a language problem. Some students requesting on Sinhala, some students are requesting on Tamil. But since this is a common meeting, so we thought of conducting this in English, right? So if you have any difficulties after this, right? So after this particular program, then you can request it in your own language. And the class conduction time, you can request it in Tamil or Sinhala, right? Because now there are so many students now. So when you put it into a class, the class only few students are there. So in that time, you can talk to the lecturer by your own language, right? Because language difficulty is there, but anyway, trying to learn it in English because that is good. Exams also coming in English. So initially you will feel difficult, but just trying to listen what the lecturer is talking and listen what the lecturer is trying to explaining you, then you will pick up at least a small area. Then because these are mostly practicals, right? Not like a theory class. So you don't need to listen and listen for all. Just learn it in other way, right? So a lot of students are asking in Tamil also. Right, so a lot of people are commenting that they want it in Tamil. But the problem is, so once a class is finished, students we will be learning. So one minute, யாராவது தமிழ் பேசுகிற ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் இருக்கிறீங்கன்னு சொன்னால் இப்போ வந்து உங்களுக்கு நான் சொல்கிறது விளங்காட்டி நீங்கள் கொஞ்சம் வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க. இந்த செஷன்ஸ் முடிஞ்ச பிறகு நாங்கள் வந்து உங்களுக்கு தமிழில் இதை ஒருக்கா சின்னதாக எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுறோம். ඒ වගේම සිංහල කට්ටිය කවුරු හරි ඉන්නවා නම් ඔයගොල්ලන්ට මේක පොඩ්ඩක් දැනගන්න ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවා නම් මේක ඉවරුණු පස්සේ අපි මේකෙන් සිංහලෙන් කියන්නම්. මේ ඉන්ට්‍රොඩක්ෂන් ක්ලාස් එක විතරයි අපි සිංහලෙන් කරන්නේ. සිංහලයි තමිලෙන් කරන්නේ. අනිත් ටිකයි අපි நார்மல் மதர் லாங்குவேஜ் එකකින් කරන්න බලමු. லெக்சர்ஸ் එක කතා කරමු. ஸோ இன்னைக்கு கிளாஸ் மாத்திரம் உங்களுக்கு இங்கிலீஷ்ல நடக்கும். அதுக்கு பிறகு நீங்க நார்மல் கிளாஸ் போன பிறகு உங்களுக்கு தமிழ்லையோ இல்ல சிங்களத்திலயோ நீங்க உங்களோட டீச்சர்கிட்ட கேட்டு அவங்களோட டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணி படிக்கலாம், ரைட்? ஸோ இன்றைக்கு இதில் எல்லா ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸும் இருக்கிறபடியா எனக்கு எத்தனை தமிழ் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் எத்தனை சிங்கள ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்ன்னு தெரியாது. ஸோ ஐ எம் டூயிங் தட் இன் அ கமன் லாங்குவேஜ், ரைட்? But remember exams, right? So if you learn in Tamil or Sinhala, not a problem. But when you come for a final examination, the exam is a MCQ exam, but the exam will come in an English paper, right? So our exam, final exam එකක් තියෙනවා. ඒ exam එක ඉංග්‍රීසි එකකින් තමයි කරන්න ඕනේ. තමිලකින් සිංහලෙන් කරන්න බෑ. So එතකොට ඒක MCQ තමයි. හැබැයි පොඩ්ඩක් making අර UK certificate එකක් එන්න නිසා, ஸோ யூகே சர்டிஃபிகேட் ஒன்று மீதோட வர்றபடியா அது உங்களுக்கு இங்கிலீஷில் தான் கொடுப்பாங்க. அப்போ இங்கிலீஷில் நீங்கள் செஞ்சால் தான் அது வந்து ஃபாரினுக்கு போகிறதுக்கோ இல்லாட்டி அந்த யூகே கம்பெனி இந்த இதில் வந்து வருவாங்க. So that's the difficult part. Okay, let's see, comes to the point, right? So the third important thing is third point, so attending. So you should attend for the class. So when you regularly attend to the classes only, you will be able to participate, and final exams you will be able to win the examination, right? Then I will show you some okay, certificate sample. So this is the certificate sample. Make it my certificate, right? This is the certificates. So ninga the படிச்சு முடிச்ச அப்புறம், right? Once you finish everything, you will be getting this certificate. Course ඔක්කොම ඉවරවන ටයිම් පස්සේ ඔයාලට මේ certificate එක තමයි හම්බෙන්නේ. මේක තමයි sample එකක්, right? So මෙතන VTA වලින් තමයි ඒක associate කරලා දෙන්නේ. So උඩම තියෙනවා VTA logo එක. மேலேயே உங்களோட VTA logo வந்து இதுல இருக்கும். அதோட Etihad என்ற அந்த ப்ரொஃபஷனல் பாடி வந்து அக்ரிகேட் பண்ணி இருக்கும். அதுக்கு பிறகு இங்கால, ரைட், உங்களோட பேர், நீங்க என்ன கோர்ஸ் செஞ்சீங்க, எவ்வளவு என்ன டிஸ்டிங்ஷன்ல பாஸ் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க, அதுக்கப்புறம் இதுல மினிஸ்ட்ரி ஆஃப் ஸ்கில்ஸ் அவங்களோட அஃபிலியேட் பண்ணியிருக்கும், கவர்மெண்ட் லோகோ இருக்கும். இந்த சைட்ல VTA chairman and IDM chairman வந்து சைன் பண்ணியிருப்பாங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் எப்போ உங்களுக்கு இந்த அவார்ட் நடந்தது அதில் சர்டிஃபிகேட் டீட்டெயில். ஸோ இந்த கோர்ஸை ஃபுல்லாக முடிச்சு அந்த எக்ஸாம்ஸை நீங்கள் செஞ்ச பிறகு உங்களுக்கு வந்து இந்த சர்டிஃபிகேட் கிடைக்கும். ஸோ யூ வில் பி கெட்டிங் அ சர்டிஃபிகேட் in this, right? This is a certificate sample. So you will be getting this certificate. Once the full program is finished, then you can able to get this certificate. So you can see the sample. It's a VTA logo will be there, and the EDHEAD international body logo will be there. And here you will be get the Ministry of Skills and Vocational logo and the IDM ISO logos, and our president signature and also VTA chairman signature. So everything will be there in your certificate. So very valid certificate. To get this certificate after this class, you should participate it in exam, right? So in the certificate நீங்க எடுக்கிறதுக்கு இது ஃபுல்லா முடிச்சிட்டு நீங்க ஒரு எக்ஸாம் வந்து பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணணும், right? So when you come to the last part, so there is a fee for a registration and examination fee that is not paying for IDM. Now this course is free for you, right? You can learn this course. The course வந்து உங்களுக்கு free that, but to do the examination you have to pay some amount to the government, right? So government, Sri Lankan government, you have to pay some amount to get this exam and get the certificate. Exam is not free, right? So to do that you should pay this amount, right? Whoever will. So now there are 100 students here today. So all 100, if you don't like, you don't need to do the examination. Whoever like, you can do the examination, right? It's not compulsory. Class attending is compulsory. Doing the exam is not compulsory. But if you want to get the certificate, you have to pay this particular amount and you have to do the examination. And also, if you pay additional 1,500 rupees, you will be able to get a material, books, right? So MS Office, there is a books. Word, there is a books, right? Everything we have books. To get a separate book, when you learn this, you don't get books, right? We will be getting an online soft copy only we are showing. To get a book, you need to pay additional pay of 1,500 rupees to get a book, right? And it's additional, and this is examination fee is 8,000 rupees, right? So these are optional. If you like, you can able to do that. Otherwise, you can just pay on study and go, right? Next, we come to the next point. Any questions, students, about this certificate? How will we get our certificate via email or no? You will be you can get the certificate by post. Original copy by post you can get, and this certificate internationally valid. Yes, this certificate is internationally valid. No sound. Some students saying no sound. So please see. I think there will be a problem in your sound. I think others they can hear. How we will be get the international? How we will be get the certificate? I answered. So thank you for your information. Okay. So this exam is computer based. Yes, this exam is fully computer based. It's online MCQs, only MCQ, no written question, only 60 MCQ you have to do. That's all the examination. How will we give the exam paper? So to do the exam, you have to go to the VTA center. Not now. Now you can't do the exam. Now only the classes. Then after class finish, whoever student wish to do the examination, you can contact us personally. Then we will be sending you. The exam you can't do it in your home. You have to go to the nearest VTA center, Vocational Training Authority Center. So you can just tell us where is your nearest VTA center. We will tell them to go there. So on the exam about these students. So in the exam நீங்க செய்யணும்னு சொன்னா நீங்க வீட்ல இருந்து இந்த எக்ஸாம் செய்ய முடியாது. இந்த பிரச்சனை எல்லாம் முடிஞ்ச பிறகு உங்களோட வீட்டுக்கு பக்கத்துல இருக்கிற ஒரு VTA சென்டரோட உங்களுக்கு எது ஏழுமன்னு சொல்லி எங்களுக்கு சொன்னீங்கன்னு சொன்னாங்க, ஹாட்லைனுக்கு சொன்னீங்கன்னா நாங்க உங்களுக்கு அந்த எக்ஸாம் புக் பண்ணி தருவோம். டைமுக்கு நீங்க போயிட்டு அங்கதான் இந்த எக்ஸாம் செய்யணும். நான் வீட்டுல செய்யறது வந்து அது வந்து ஓப்பன் தானே, நீங்க வேற ரிசோர்ஸஸ் அக்சஸ் பண்ணி செய்யலாம். ஸோ தே won't allow. So doing in the home site examination is prohibited. So we are not, you can't do it. You have to go to the VTA center, right? So even the material, yes, we can get the material. Yes, you can get the material through the post, right? If you pay the material fee, book fee 1,500, by post we will be sending you the material. Okay. Exam is online. Yes, exam is online. Right. NVQ level, yeah, NVQ level 4. Yeah, NVQ level 4 courses, 3 and 4. Some are 3, some are equivalent to 4. Yes. Total charges. Each exam cost 8,000. Yes, that is the problem. Yes, one exam. One exam and registration, everything together, it is 8,000 rupees. But normally when you go for a course itself, more than 25,000, 30,000, you have to spend. So it is again, we are way offing all the course fee. Only the government exam fee we have to charge. Right? Yes, any discount will be taken for the course. There is no discounts will be applicable for the examination fee, because that is you have to directly pay to the government, right? Yes, if you join 5 courses, you can get 5 certificate, but anyway 5 payment should be there. You have to pay 5 times of this. 1,500, 1,000. Yeah, book is not mandatory. You can buy the book, any book you want, right? How many exams have taken for 8,000? If you fail the exam, it's a good question, right? Galaxy J7, right? So it's a good question. So if you fail the exam, another 1 attempt will be given free of charge, right? 1 attempt. Now, for example, today I go to exam by paying, then I fail the exam, right? Then you can pay another 1 attempt. You can sit the exam again 1 time free. At that time also, if you fail, if you want to go to the 3rd time, you have to pay again 2,500 rupees, right? So 2,500 rupees retaking exam. Anytime, any amount you can retake, but every time if you retake, you have to pay 2,500. So location, any location you can take. So internet connections, okay, you know, so because some students say very poor connection. So is that fine? How you go to pay? Yeah, your payment gateway, you can, we will send you the payment gateway. So online payment you can do by entering your card number, or else you can do the bank transaction for E+ also, right? Right, what else? Combining VTA, yes. AutoCAD also MCQ, yes. AutoCAD also MCQ. What is the NVQ level? NVQ level AutoCAD is 3. 3 is the level. NVQ level 3. Can I continue the finance accounting course if I finish ICT? Yeah, you can continue. At the same time, you can continue. Yes, specifically course are NVQ 4 or 3. So some, that's what, some courses are 3, some courses are 4. So once you attend to the class, I will tell you which course is 3, which courses are 4, right? Free is good. First time free is good, but passing marks, yeah, passing marks will be 60. Sorry, 50. 50 will be the passing marks. So you, if it is 60 question, at least 30 question you should answer. Then only you can pass. Exam fee. Can you tell exam fee in Tamil? Okay. So exam fee வந்து இதுதான் நோட exam fee, right? So அதாவது 8,000 rupees நீங்க pay பண்ணனும் ஒரு எக்ஸாமுக்கு. பே பண்ணினா நீங்க ஒரு எக்ஸாம் வந்து செய்யலாம். அந்த எக்ஸாம் நீங்க செஞ்சு பாஸ் பண்ணா உங்களுக்கு சர்டிபிகேட் வரும். அந்த எக்ஸாமுக்கு நீங்க புக் வேணும்னு சொன்னா அடிஷனலா 1,500 ரூபாய் பே பண்ணணும், ரைட்? இல்லாட்டி உங்களுக்கு இந்த 8,000 எக்ஸாம்ல 2 எக்ஸாம் இருக்கு. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் நீங்க செய்யலாம், அதே மாதிரி ஃபெயில் விட்டுட்டீங்கன்னா செகண்ட் டைமும் நீங்க அதை செய்யலாம். அதுக்கு பிறகு நீங்க அதை செய்யணும்னு சொன்னா நீங்க பே பண்ணணும். ஒரு எக்ஸாமுக்கு 2,500 ரூபாய் மாதிரி பே பண்ண வேண்டி வரும். Yeah, okay, right. So yeah, that's a good suggestion. Better answer all the questions end of the sessions. Yeah, that's good. Pass marks, exam, practical, right? Okay, so I think there are more than 40-50 people are typing, right? 100 students are typing, so I have to see everything. So it's taking so much of time. Okay, so some people are asking about job opportunities as well. Okay, I will be continuing the slide now. So the question again, right? Right. So this is about the exam payment. We'll go to the next area. Okay. Right. So this is about some idea about the soft skill. So what are the other things we have in IDM, right? So this is about our some events what we did in IDM, right? Sports meet. Okay, this is the convocation. So there is a golden opportunity for you, right? For the students who are doing the examination. End of the course, you can able to get your certificate in our convocations, right? So annually in IDM, we are doing the convocation. Last time here, this army people were did the E plus examination, army commanders and army prison workers. So they received the certificate in the BMICH. So this time also same opportunity is there. Whoever now doing the examination this time, once the exam is finished, you can receive the certificate or you can get the certificate in our convocation, which we planned on August. This August or September, we have the convocation IDM. We are tentatively planned earlier, but I don't know what will happen because of the situation. But anyway, August or September, within these 2 months, if you complete the exam and if you get the certificate, you can receive with your parent, you can come with your parent, father and students. So I will tell you in Tamil. So in the exam participate பண்ண students வந்து இந்த exam complete பண்ணி உங்களோட certificate வந்து எங்களோட IDM convocation நடக்கும் இந்த year endல. So அதாவது ஆகஸ்ட் செப்டம்பர் மாதிரி நடக்கும். ஸோ அந்த கன்வகேஷன்ல நீங்க வந்து உங்களுக்கு உங்களோட சர்டிஃபிகேட்டை வந்து நீங்க எடுக்கலாம், ரைட்? அது ஒரு உங்களுக்கு ஒரு நல்ல ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி கொண்டு ஐடியமால கொடுக்குறோம் டு கெட் த சர்டிஃபிகேட், ரைட்? So this is the convocation photo of last. Okay, right. So this is some photographs of our convocation. Okay, so last time these are the E plus students, right, from different army commanders. They were participated, and this is our other NGO people. They have did so many students came for E plus examination, right? And this is our international and local affiliations, right? Okay. So that is about the presentation. This is now up to now I talked you about the E plus examination. What is E plus and what is E plus examination? Now we are going to discuss about the timetable. So before going to the timetable, okay. So I will stop the screen. So any questions you have, right? Before going to the next processing area, so many people asking so many questions. So again, I will answer this question and we'll go to the next part. Okay, right. How many months this course? Certificate will be expired. Please explain. Right. So one student is asking, so how many months this course, right? So how many months this course will be? So according to our plan, it is a short-term program. So we have allocated 10 to 15 hours for one program, because we are not going to do it fully on this in online. We are going to do up to 60 to 70%. Then we will lecture will be giving you. So in 15 hours, we are able to cover the full slide, right? Full area we will be covering. Then you have to do some self-study, right? For one course, it's 10 to 15 hours. That's a program, right? One course, right? I'll show you the timetable. Yeah, then it's easy, right? I'll share my timetable. Right. Okay. So now I think you can. Okay, so some students asking very funny questions as well. Okay, so, right, here we go. Right. Okay, right. So now you can see my screen, right? So this is our timetable. So after the class, we are sharing this to you, right? After this class, we will be sharing this to you. First one is your time, right? So this is example. Okay, I will take accounting package, graphic designing, MS Office. Okay, so we'll take MS Office as an example. Everybody know this basic one, no? Right? So MS Office, right? So this is the course. So we call as E plus certified MS Office. So we are going to cover 14 hours on lecture hours, right? So these are lecture hours. Practical hours is extra that you have to do it by yourself in your home, right? You have to do the practical hours. That is depending on the student. But I'm talking about the lecture hours. So lecture hours for this is 14 hours, right? So the 14 hours mean the first class is coming on April 30th, right? So 30th of April, this month in the last, we have the April of 30th. So 9 to 11 a.m., right? So this is the time, and we have the concept of information technology and computer environment. These are the subjects, right? So likewise, we will be giving you what date and time, and your what are the area going to cover. So this is the first class. So likewise, we have only the 7 class. So we will be completing this on May 19, 2020. So before this situation, so we will be fully completing about the course. So once you do attend all these courses, you will be able to sit for the online examination. So likewise, we will be giving you the timetable. That's the first step. So according to the timetable, you have to go. Second thing is, we will be giving you, so we will group according to your batch. We will be make a WhatsApp group. There, our lecturer will be posting you the link to access this classroom. Every day you will be getting a different link, right? So students, can you hear me now? Uh, can you hear? Okay. Can you hear me? Yes. Can you hear me? Yeah. Okay. Right. Thank you. Right. So this is the way we will be sharing you the timetable for all the program: computer network specialist, computer graphic designing, computer auto accounting specialist. Right. So likewise, we will be sharing you the slides in the same way. Right. So after the class, timetable will be sent it to your WhatsApp group. So you can just follow the WhatsApp group timetable. Right. Uh, okay, students. So let me come to the point. Okay. So let me come to the point. So we are mainly going to do this in online again, right? So the course, there is no charges. It's fully free. You can learn in online, right? It's fully free. When you want to do the examination only, you should pay that particular amount, right? And the timetable is already planned. So up to 3 weeks, we have completely planned the timetable. So timetable will be sent to your WhatsApps. So based on the timetable, you can come to the class, right? And connecting link every class before the day, it will be sent to your WhatsApp, right? Connecting link, how to connect with the server. So link will be sent. So just you can click the link in the time and you can send. So I'll tell you in Tamil also. So இந்த கிளாஸுக்குரிய டைம் டேபிள் வந்து நாங்கள் இது இன்றைக்கு உங்களுக்கு வாட்ஸ்அப்பில் அனுப்பி விடுவோம். அந்த டைம் டேபிளை நீங்கள் ஃபாலோ பண்ணுங்க. இந்த டைம் டேபிளில் பாருங்க. அதுக்கு பிறகு டெய்லி உங்களோட கிளாஸுக்கு முதல் நாள் அதுக்குரிய கனெக்டிங் லிங்கை வந்து நாங்கள் உங்களுக்கு அனுப்புவோம். ஸோ அந்த லிங்கை நீங்கள் கிளிக் பண்ணீங்கன்னா கனெக்ட் பண்ணலாம். ஸோ இன்றைக்கு உங்களோட கிளாஸில் 100 ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் இருக்கிறாங்க. ஸோ அதுதான் நான் மியூட் பண்ணியிருக்கேன் பிகாஸ் நாய்ஸஸ் வில் கம். ஸோ இஃப் யூ வாண்ட் எனி திங் நீங்கள் சேட் பண்ணலாம். இந்த சைட்டில் சேட் விண்டோ போயிட்டுருக்கு, அதில் நான் ரீட் பண்ணி உங்களுக்கு அதுக்குரிய ஆன்சர்ஸை தரலாம். ஸோ பட் நீங்கள் வேணுமென்னா அன்மியூட் பண்ணி கதைக்கலாம். உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது தேவை இருந்துச்சுன்னு சொன்னால் நாங்கள் நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ண அப்புறம் நாங்கள் அதை வைப்போம். இன்னைக்கு வச்சா எல்லாரும் கதைக்க cannot clear properly. So then once a class is started, then you can have your own class, own setup, because I know we are giving this free of charge. So most of the student first class, they will come because no work, nothing, they're just staying home. No, so free of just we will go and see what is actually they are doing. So that is the mentality of all the people, right? But I don't want that people. I want the people who ever start ever whatever, they have to come on until the end and complete, get the certificate. Because if you get this certificate, every validities are there. Vocational training validities are there. EDAC validities are there. IDM is there. E+ exam. So everything is perfect for you. So getting a certificate is important rather than learning. So if you have already a knowledge, you can just directly do the examination. So for example, now you are an accountant. You came here to do the accounting package. You know already MS Office. So what you can do is simply you do the MS Office exam and get that certificate. Because sometimes you have a certificate which is given by some small organization by in your hometown, right? Maybe if you are living in Akkarepattu or Kandy or Norelia, maybe a hometown, they would have given a small certificate. That certificate is not valid for your career. When you want to go abroad, when you want to do some other works, that certificate is not valid. Getting a government certificate will be always giving you a super possibility, right? So if you know the knowledge or you have the knowledge, please do the exam directly. If you don't have that, just come to the class, do it, then you finish. Great. So right, so that's the last part. So we come to the last part area. So now it's a time for me to answer the question, right? So if you want to unmute it, just raise your hand. There is option called raise your hand. So do raise your hand, then I will unmute, then you can speak, right? ஸோ உங்களுக்கு கதைக்கணும்னு சொன்னால் கையை தூக்குங்க, நான் அன்மியூட் பண்ணுறேன், அப்போ நீங்கள் கதைக்கலாம். அதை விட உங்களுக்கு கதைக்க இல்லாட்டி நீங்கள் டைப் பண்ணணும்னு சொன்னால் நீங்கள் டைப் பண்ணலாம். ஓகே. ஸோ now I'm answering the question. So from now onwards, yes, sure, I want to do the graphic designing exam. Yeah, good. How many exams here? Okay. So Galaxy A20, are you? Can I unmute you? You want to speak anything?
Hello sir.
Yeah.
தமிழ்ல பேசலாம்.
தமிழ்ல பேசுங்க.
இந்த கோர்ஸ் வந்து இப்போ நான் NVQ level 4 செய்கிறேன். அந்த கோர்ஸோட எனக்கு கம்பைன் பண்ணி செய்யணுமா அங்கே VTA-ல, இல்லாட்டி வேறையா நான் செய்யணுமா?
இது வேறையா செய்யணும். ஏன்னா இது வந்து VTA-ட இன்னொரு ப்ராஜெக்ட் உண்டு. VTA-ட டைரக்ட் இன்வால்வ்மெண்ட் இல்ல. இதுல கிளாसेस எல்லாம் ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டி IDM தான் செய்றாங்க.
ஓகே சார்.
ஓகே, இத நீங்க செப்பரேட்டா
பெட்ரிகல் எக்ஸாமிக்கு தான் அங்க ஃபேஸ் பண்ண
எக்ஸாம்ஸ் மாத்திரம் நீங்க VTA-ல செய்யலாம். நீங்க படிக்கிற கிளாஸ்லயே VTA எக்ஸாம்ஸ் செய்யலாம். பட் நீங்க கிளாसेस வந்து ஆன்லைன்ல இல்லாட்டி நியரஸ்ட் IDM, நீங்க எந்த ஏரியா?
நான் வந்து கொலண்டா ஏரியா.
அப்ப அதுக்கு இருக்க நியரஸ்ட் IDM ஒன்றுக்கு போகும். கோட்டையனா IDM கிட்ட வந்தா நீங்க அங்க போயிட்டு கிளாसेस செய்யலாம். ஓகே, ரைட், thank you. Right. Abdul Rahman, okay. Abdul Rahman, yes. I unmute you. You can speak. In correct. Abdul Rahman, do you want to speak? Right. Who else? Anybody? There is an option called raise a hand. You can click in the right side. There is something called raise a hand. Okay. Atif, unmute. Okay. Yes, Atif.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon.
Sir, I'm from Afghanistan and I'm joining this online and
Okay.
I'm living in Sri Lanka in Colombo. Can I join
Okay.
this program and do I need to apply for the examination?
Uh, but now currently you are living in Sri Lanka.
Yeah,
Uh,
currently I'm living in Sri Lanka.
yeah, yeah, okay. You can apply for the exam, no problem. You can, yes.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Atif. Yeah, good. Any other students? Galaxy A20, you have doubt? You can rise, put the down, hands rise, hands down also there. So once the question is finished, please put your hands down. Right. So that's all in voice. Okay. Now we go to the chatting area. So this AutoCAD certificate is no use for career. Just a knowledge. No, you can use it, right? So this AutoCAD, it's a NVQ level 3 program. So anyway, you need a, if you don't have any education background, you can do. But if you have a higher qualification AutoCAD, NVQ level 4 or whatever, no need to do. Just you can participate. If you have less, you can do the exam and get the AutoCAD certificate. Great. But it's 3. You can't do it 4, right? Because 4 is important when you go abroad and work. They ask 4. But for that, you have to spend more some times and learn 3D and stuff like that. But this is only 3 because we are teaching only basic. In the course, VTA direct, okay, I answered that. VTL, you can't. VTL நீங்க direct செய்ய முடியாது. Graphic design timetable, please. Yeah, we will send you the timetable. Uh, when you can attempt the exams after the class lockdown, date, times, and work. Okay, so after lockdown, you can go and do the classes. Yes, possible in nearest IDM center because these classes will be conducted in IDM. So you have to talk to us, our hotline, and you say which IDM is nearby to you. Then we will sending you there. After lockdown is finished, you can able to answer it. You can able to do the classes, right? Then if I miss one day, there is any possibility to participate in another day? Yes, possible, but you will be missing the session. That's all. There is no recording, will be replay because we are not keeping recording. So if you miss the class, that part is missed, right? So how many exams here total cost? So the total cost for the exam is same. If you want to do one exam, the total cost is same. That means 8,000 rupees for exam. Please explain the job opportunity available in Sri Lanka for the certificate because most of the IT jobs are expecting a degree. Yeah, definitely you need a degree. Degree is something else, right? A degree and high national program, that is something else. This is vocational program. This is qualification is used only to work, right? Now you are after A level, you don't have any job, or you are doing in a company just a job, not a proper professional job. For those, you can't study HND and you can't study degree because family background, you don't have money, you have to earn, likewise a lot of personal problems are there. So then that problem will be a big barrier for your study education career. Even the job also you can't not able to perform. So in that case only we are offering this. You do this exam, get the certificate and give to your working company, you upgrade the position. So take IT certificate and give your company. Now if you work in a small companies, right, you give this certificate and upgrade the position. So that's what this qualification is, right? Okay, now we come to the rice hand people. Okay, Logarajna. Logaranjana.
Logaraj.
Logaraj, yes, sorry. You can speak.
The graphic design என்னென்ன சப்ஜெக்ட் இருக்கு?
டீடைல் சப்ஜெக்ட் நாங்கள் எங்களோட அந்த ப்ரோஷர்ல பாருங்க, அதுல நாங்க போட்டிருக்கோம் என்னென்ன பாடம் படிப்பிக்க போறோம்னு சொல்லி. உங்களுக்கு அந்த ப்ரோஷர்னு வந்திருக்கும், அப்ளை பண்ண இடத்துக்கு அது ஒருக்கா செக் பண்ணுங்க. அதுல இருக்கு டீடைலா இருக்கு என்னென்னு சொல்லி. மோஸ்ட்லி நினைக்கிறேன் போட்டோஷாப், இல்லஸ்ட்ரேட்டர், கொரல் ட்ரோ, ஃபிளாஷ் அந்த மாதிரி தான் இருக்கு.
ஓகே, வீடியோ எடிட்டிங் சப்ஜெக்ட் இல்லைனா பிரீமியர்
வீடியோ எடிட்டிங் இல்ல, இது வந்து கிராஃபிக் தானே, கிராஃபிக்.
only graphics. Okay, okay, okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Next, Galaxy Prime Plus. Yes, you can unmute. Hacksaw.
Hello.
Yeah.
எப்போ கிளாஸ் நடக்கும்?
அப்படியா? நாங்க கிளாஸ் டைம் டேபிள் இந்த மீட்டிங் முடிச்ச அப்புறம் உங்களுக்கு நான் உங்களை ஷேர் பண்ணுவேன். நீங்க
என்ன
அதுல
பண்ணுவீங்க? வாட்ஸ்அப்ல
வாட்ஸ்அப்புக்கு அனுப்பி விடுவாங்க. நீங்க எந்த கோர்ஸுக்கு ரெஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணீங்களோ அதுக்குரிய டைம் டேபிள் உங்களுக்கு அனுப்பி விடுவோம். அதுல நாங்க பிளான் பண்ணி உங்களுக்கு போட்டுருக்கோம்.
ஓகே. அந்த வெப் டிசைனிங் போட்டிருந்தீங்க, அதையும் டீச் பண்ணுவீங்களா?
இல்ல, வெப் டிசைனிங் ஆன்லைன்ல நாங்க செய்யல. அது இருக்கு, பட் ஆன்லைன்ல இல்ல. நீங்க இது முடிஞ்ச அப்புறம் எங்கேயாவது ஒரு ஆஃப்லைன்ல ஒரு சென்டருக்கு வந்து தான் படிப்போம்.
ஓகே. ஆட்டோகேட் வந்து இப்போ ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகும்.
அந்த டைம் டேபிள் உங்களுக்கு இருக்கு. அதுல நான் உங்களுக்கு வந்து திருப்பி ரீஷ் அக்கௌண்டன்ட் டைம் டேபிள் நீங்க பாருங்க, இப்படி இருக்கு. இது வந்து ஆஃபீஸ் இப்படி இருக்கு. ஓகே. ஸோ இந்த ஆட்டோகேட் இதுக்குரிய டைம் டேபிள். ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி உங்களுக்கு டைம் டேபிள் வரும், டேட்ஸும் டைமும் என்னென்ன ஏரியா படிப்பிக்க போறோம்னு வரும். ஓகே.
ஓகே, தேங்க் யூ.
ரைட். ஓகே. Ashwin.
Hi, sir.
Yeah.
I'm Ashwadhani. Sir, exam வந்து ஃபுல்லா இல்ல கம்ப்ளீட்டா 5 எக்ஸாமையும் ஒரே அட்டெம்ப்ட்ல செய்யலாமா இல்லாட்டி 1 by 1 செய்யலாமா?
இல்ல நீங்க 1 by 1 செய்யலாம். இப்போ நீங்க MS ஆஃபீஸ் கோர்ஸ் தான் படிக்கிறீங்கன்னு சொன்னா அந்த MS ஆஃபீஸ் முடிஞ்ச அப்புறம் அதுக்குரிய எக்ஸாம் செய்யலாம்.
நான் 5 கோர்ஸுக்கு ரெஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணிருக்கேன். பட் அது மட்டும் நான் செய்யலாம் நானே.
அப்போ 5 கோர்ஸ்ல நீங்க எது இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் செய்யுங்க. அப்படி 5 கோர்ஸ் படிச்சு உங்களுக்கு 5 கோர்ஸே எக்ஸாம் செய்யலாம். இல்லாட்டி எக்ஸாம் உங்களுக்கு விரும்புற மாதிரி நீங்க செய்யலாம்.
5 எக்ஸாமுக்கும் டோட்டல் ஃபீஸ் வந்து எக்ஸாம் ஃபீஸ் 8000.
இல்ல இட்ஸ் எக்ஸாம் ஃபீஸ் per எக்ஸாம். ஒரு எக்ஸாமுக்கு தான் அந்த ஃபீஸ் வரும்.
ஒரு எக்ஸாமுக்கு 8000.
8000 வரும்.
ஓகே. ஓகே சார். Thank you.
Right. So that's all, no? Okay. Then job opportunity. Then I'll go to the chatting. Can you share the network timetable? Yes. Right. Have the participation. Yes. Job opportunity. Right. I think most of the question I have answered. MS Office NVQ level. Yeah. MS Office NVQ level is 3. Right. Yeah. Will be job opportunity. Explain. Yeah. Okay. I'm working as a graphic designer. How can do the course? Yeah. So if you are working graphic designer, so then you can directly do the exam. Just attend to the class, then you know the knowledge. No? So just sit in the class and listen what the teachers are explaining. And last class they will explain you about the exam also, how exam will come and how the mock paper, exam paper also they will discuss. Then you get the clear idea about exam. Once it's done, you do the exam and get the certificate. Okay, right. Yes. Balance, I think I have answered. Same time can do 2 courses. Yes. If you register for other course, you can get registered. Now registration we have stopped it. So now if you want to do another course, you have to speak to our hotline number, WhatsApp number. Just speak to that and they will send you the timetable. Okay. So thank you very much, students. Right. Thank you very much. Now we are almost 4 o'clock. Right. So 3 to 4 is our time. So I hope okay, right. So students, I think almost we are catering to 100 students, right? Total 100 students, 600 students are there. So today only 100 students was here, right? So it's a good opportunity. Please use this opportunity and build up your career and get a certificate, right? That will be very good, because education, if you spend hours or invest on education, will always give you a good return. It is not something like you spend it for any others, even food or whatever. Rather than that, you just invest to your education, you will be always to benefits, and you can gain a good career in the future, right? So education, so we always say education is a good investment, right? Good investment. So trying to invest in the correct place and trying to get a return, right? So again, good. Thank you very much, right? So we will be finishing this today's sessions. So yeah, will you send the sessions note after the class? Yeah, sessions notes will be sent after the class. So any problems or issues regarding this, you talk to your class, in your class, a networking specialist, talk to the network lecturer, then they will helping you, right? Okay, so still there are a lot of questions coming. If the lockdown is over, what about the classes? Anyway, lockdown over also, we will be continuing according to the timetable, right? According to what we planned, 3 weeks, the class will be continue. If the lockdown over also, then we will be having this normal timetable. Yeah, timetable will be sent after this. Age limit, yeah, age limit is 16 plus, right? So to do the examination, 16 plus, you should finish your A level, O level, right? O level you should complete. Less than O level students can't do. Then other practical exams of NVQ, yeah, no need to do, right? What is, no need to do that. This is equivalent to the NVQ level. Okay, so thank you very much. All the best for your career. I know, like, you will keep on asking the question because your mind is full of questions, right? Later we will be answering the question one by one in your class time. So now first day, no, so you will feel a bit difficult. So when you go 2-3 class, then it will be familiar to you, right? Thank you very much. All the best.